Here is my 22 long rifle upper from Chiappa Firearms. It doesn't come with a rear sight. As you can see, I got a cheap one to put up here, kind of like a MacBull clone. Like I say in my other video, it comes with 2 mags, instruction booklet, and a brush. Pretty much everything on the upper is polymer but the barrel. And I'm gonna mount it on my Daniel Defense lower receiver right there. It's pretty easy to mount. All you have to do is pop those 2 pins. That round did not go off. It was strike, but it did not go off. It was ammo. Last round, bullet hole open. I really enjoy shooting this 22 long rifle upper by Chiappa. I bought it in a really good sale for $150 brand new online, and that included shipping and handling. A few weeks later, they had it regular price for almost $400.
Thank you for watching NCGUNS videos. Please remember to subscribe. Also check us out on Facebook and Twitter. And give us a like on the video. See you next week.